Mr. Unboxers here. I will be showing off the BioShock Ultimate Songbird Edition. As you can see, I already have it opened up and out. Here is the lithograph that comes with it. It's not really that big. It's about the size of the small art books that come with games now. See, as you can see, it's about the same size. Then you get the art book, Columbia, Customs and Excise, 1907. Just as you see, concept art. Back, not much to it. Comes with a digital soundtrack. Here is the handyman figure. It is only about maybe an inch tall, as you can see by the size of my finger. It is only about that first section of my finger. Here's the Murder of Crows. That is, roughly 3 inches or so. Keychain. Here's the box that the Songbird comes in. As you can see, I have it already unboxed. And now I'm going to show you the Songbird all put together. It is still in the display cabinet, along with a couple other items that I have recently picked up for BioShock Infinite. I do have the lithograph trio. It is all number 11 of 100. Closer look at all of them. They are signed by Levine and Waters. And there's the whole trio. And now swinging around. As you can see, the Songbird is relatively large compared to the Big Daddies. The key hanging on its thumb actually came with the limited edition or collector's edition, whatever you want to call it, strategy guide. And then I did get the Columbia Welcomes You concept statue. That is relatively tall, as you can tell, compared to everything else in there, except for the Elite Knight that you saw in my last video. A lot of detail went into that. The flag is actually cloth. The arms are magnetic, so it does detach at the arms. And then the final BioShock pickup that I've had recently is the BioShock 2 wine bottle. I know it doesn't have anything to do with Infinite, so nobody needs to comment, well, that's not really Infinite. Well, yeah, I know that, but just showing off my recent pickups too. So, there's the Songbird anyway, the statue, wine bottle, and of course this did come with the game. Wasn't anything special inside the case, but then there's my lithograph trio as well. So, thanks for watching. As always, feel free to subscribe. I'll be posting another picture here, or another video here in the next week or so. Thanks.